enough and you singing No More Monkey?
It's over!
What's going on, guys? Oh, sorry about the brush. So it's like 50 degrees out. I've got the garage open. UK's playing today. Obviously, you can see I'm a huge UK fan. We're kind of getting our asses kicked right now by Florida. But yeah, so far I've just taken some mag wheel. Got some mag wheel. I've had hit setting on this engine for about 10 minutes. It's cast iron, so it's going to take a second for see how some of the paint is like flaking off. Hopefully you can see that. But yeah, I'm glad got that sitting on there. I know I use this stuff for my semi, like on my fuel tanks, my battery case, everything that's aluminum, my steps, my rims, and it does wonders. Love it. But yeah, we got this sitting on here. Take it, I don't know, 10 more minutes probably. Alright guys, so I just mainly wanted to get some of the gunk knocked off of it. I'm going to be setting it in tubs, like the timing cover and the heads. I'm assembling the heads. Let those sit. I'm going to check out the rings and the walls and stuff. I've let the engine sit overnight, and some of it's a little bit like chocolate milk. The rest of it looks like it's oil, but it's just oil, however you guys say it. I don't know why, but I kind of always say oil for some odd reason. And I'm from Kentucky. I don't understand. Bruno, come on, get over here. Take off and buy some. Anybody? Ooh! Damn, man, Florida's kicking our butt. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take the, I believe these are the steam pipes or the pressure tubes, something like that. I believe that's, yeah. Take these off. And then I'm going to get the heads knocked out. Yeah. New. So I know everybody does. There's literally so many NLS videos. There's a lot, shit ton actually, but oh well. I'm getting this engine just as you see it, and the complete wiring harness and the computer. Fit these bolts back in these holes. So like I got the valve covers off last night. You guys seen that. Again guys, if you just hopping in, go look at the video I did last night. These are the smaller ones. These little tiny, there you go. Whoop. Yeah, I didn't expect that. Oh, don't spill all the oil. Damn it. Oh, that's gonna kill me. I'm wearing my sweater. Sweater. So a sweater. Just a little sweater. Oh, go too fast. Hopefully. Holla back, girl. So yeah, you see it. Boom. That's perfect. So you got tension on it. They ain't gonna fall around. And this is my driver's side. So, yes, looking at the engine. Remember, William, go back at this video. Engine. This side. Right. Okay. That one was loose. That's loose. That's loose. And that one was already loose. That's definitely something I did not want to see. I mean, very needs deep cleaning badly. So, let's get this these cylinders cleaned out a little bit. I'm gonna get these heads off. So we got the other head off. I mean, everything's gonna need be bored. Man, I'm gonna try to stay positive though. I really am. I'm really trying to stay positive. Never good. You never leave an engine out in the weather, especially uncovered. Clean them hoses out. But like I said, we're going to try to stay positive with it. Yeah, I'm using Windex. I got it on the parts store and grab some other stuff. But it does the job for right now. Actually, I have some liquid wrench. Need me a sponsor, you know, if PB Blaster wants to give me a shout out, yeah. But damn, guys, damn it. This is not what I wanted. Yeah, I wanted LS, but damn, I didn't want to bore it. I'm trying to keep a budget as much as possible, you know. Trying to do this to kind of like self-hone, I guess you could say, just with the piston rings right now, just to kind of see what we got. I don't think they're going to be able to get that out. Fudge. I don't know. I think I'm done. I don't know, y'all. I feel like I'm done with just trying to have something solid go for me, you know, because these piston walls are fucked. Excuse my language, but they're gone. I don't think you can even bore these. I just texted my wife's uncle, lives in West Virginia. He owns a machine shop, builds some of the most badass engines I've ever laid my eyes on. Top Fuel, Pro Mod, Dirt Track, Pro Street, Street, Strip, anything really. His big thing is LS, so I just took a few pictures, sent them to him. Hopefully he can get back to me, but I don't know. Some part of me feels like I don't think the piston walls can be saved. I could be wrong. So I'm gonna wait and hear back from him. I need to get it out, get the cam out, even to even look at it. Something could be fucked up, but I mean it moves too smooth. It's just there's a lot of water been sitting in these cylinder walls. Not mad anymore. Kind of took off and had a cool down. Had to give Taylor's uncle a text, send him a couple pictures. Said we can get it out there. So for $20, you really can't build it. Beat it. I mean, you got to build it anyway, but you really can't. Rent kit at Advanced was $120 some. So I would rather pay $20 for this, put it together, and keep it and use it multiple times than buy a kit from Advanced for $120 some just renting it. So I think this is a whole lot better. It's a better investment. But it was packaged like this right here, just put together, was $35. This is $20. Just gotta put together. Oh yeah, boys. I don't think I need to do the 4-inch. So definitely will work though. You just gotta back these. Ooh. Just a little bit stubborn, so I'm taking my rubber mallet and hitting it. I'm getting a new pulley anyway. Boom. I mean, a dandy of a cleaning too. So okay guys, well, we've gotten this far. I'm going to get this table cleaned up, get all that taken care of, get the shop cleaned up a little bit. And then that's when we're going to start breaking down our heads and getting this thing broke down, and hopefully I mean, I really don't care about the bearings and stuff. If they're bad, they need to be replaced. That's alright. I just don't want no gashes in the journals of the crank or the rods. So we'll see, guys. Okay, before we jump the gun, let's go ahead and take our oil pan off, or our oil pump off. Boom, so easy. There, this back plate bolts facing out. We'll probably go with ARP cam bolts just because they're like 10, 20 bucks. Might as well, you know. Alright guys, that's probably it for this video. We just got the pulley off, got the oil pump off, got the heads, got everything set up. I did get the pistons off with the rods. I may just be getting new bearings anyway. The bearings didn't look bad at all, but there was just a lot of corrosion, kind of like with this mud. I don't know. I'm at loss for words. Only thing I can think of is water getting down into the spark plug hose, because in these heads you can see how water got into some and how water didn't get into other ones. But that's where we're at with that. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment. If you have any advice for me, again, comment, let me know. And that's it for you guys. Appreciate you.